Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how easy it is to plant, grow, and care for fresh mint right at home. And then turn that mint into your very own homemade tea bag. Yep, no store-bought blends needed when you've got the real deal growing in your garden or even your kitchen. Mint is super beginner friendly. All you need is a small pot, some rich soil, and a sunny spot. Mint loves a little morning sun and consistent watering. One thing I notice is that it spreads really fast, so I always recommend keeping it in a container to stop it from taking over your garden. To care for your mint, just pinch off the top leaves regularly to encourage bushier growth. And trust me, the more you harvest, the more it grows back, stronger and fuller. Once your mint is lush and ready, harvest a bunch of leaves and give them a gentle rinse. Now let's dive into it. Let's show you how we make our very own mint tea bags at home.
So without further ado, we're going to show you the green mint tea process. I'm using this silicone bowl, putting the fresh mint leaves in the dehydrator. If your air fryer doesn't have a dehydration setting, remember you can just set it down to low to about 150. For the tea leaves, I usually do about 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours. Let's just put it in the middle. And that's it. Okay, so we got the leaves all crushed up, and what I'll do now is, add it to a tea bag, or if you got a big harvest and you hydrate a lot, you can store it. I like to use a small glass jar like this. Make sure you label it. But let me tell you the secret. This little plant here, stevia plant, these have naturally sweet leaves. Now, once I grow this more and I can move to a larger pot, I'll put these in and mix it with my mint. It's a natural sweetener, still no calories, still healthy, but stevia. I just bought this though, so I have to wait a little while to add it. But I'll put it in another jar. And you can even mix it in with the tea bags to make a sweet mint tea. So now we are ready to enjoy a nice bag of hot mint tea. Oh. And like I said, I put a little sugar in mine, or that's stevia if I have it. I'll let her tell you all the health benefits. I just love the way it tastes.
Oh my god, that was a bit much. Anyway, let's get into some health benefits of mint tea. Mint isn't just delicious, it's a powerful herb. It soothes digestion and relieves bloating. It helps with headache and sinus congestion. It also helps boost your focus and mental clarity. Aside from tea, you can toss fresh mint into smoothies, sprinkle over fruit, or even infuse it into oils for a cooling body rub. So if you're all about that natural living, garden to cup life, just grow your own mint, sip your tea, and let nature do the healing. Anyway, that's all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.